dear students. So once again welcome back to the YouTube classes. Yeah, in the previous class we are discussing about when the shares are issued at par. Even some of the problem I solved. Next, some homework also was given to you. Hope everybody has solved. Now today we'll go to the second one, when the shares are issued at a premium. When the shares are issued at a premium. First understand what is the meaning of when shares are issued at premium. Okay. Shares are issued at premium means when shares are issued to the public, shares are issued to the public more than the face value. More than the face value. Shares are issued to the public more than the face value. When shares issued to the public more than the face value, that is what you called as issue of shares at premium. What is that more than the face value? Face value is 100 rupee, but issued to the public, issue price, issued or issue price, IP, issue price 110. Share price, face value is 100 rupee, but issued to the public is 110. The differences between issue price and face value, what is the difference? The difference is what you called as issue of shares at premium. This is called premium. 10 rupee is a capital profit to a company. It is a capital profit to the company. Okay, I repeat. When shares are issued to the public more than the face value is what you call issue of shares at premium. For example, 100 rupee face value share is issued to the public for 110. The differences between issue price and face value, the 10 rupee is what we called as share premium. Okay. So, the 10 rupee is what you called capital profit to a company. Okay. It's a profit. Okay. So, income. Profit means income. Income of the company increase. Income of the company increase. First PUC you studied. When income is increased, income increase, it should be credited. Income decrease. Okay. 5 types of account. Asset account, liability account, capital account, income account, expenses account, debit rule and credit rule. Okay. Hope you have not forgotten that. Okay. Income account rule. Income account rule. What is the income account rule? It says income account rule, especially income account rule. If income increase credited, income decrease debited. Okay. So it is a capital profit. Premium account is a capital profit. Increase it should be credited. So it should be credited to one account. That account is called securities premium account. When shares are issued at premium, that premium amount should be credited to an account called securities premium account. Securities premium account. Okay. So that is about issue of shares at premium. Okay. So how to pass journal entry when premium is there? How to pass journal entry when premium is there? For example, 100 rupee face value is issued to public for 110. The 10 rupee, what 10 rupee is there? The 10 rupee extra money or what you called as premium money, either it can be collected in application, either it can be collected in allotment, or either it can be collected in the first call money, or it may be final call money. Okay, the 10 rupee what in my example, okay, in the 10 rupee what premium is there, that 10 rupee premium can be collected either in application or either in allotment or either in first call or either in final call. Okay, so if it is collected in application, what is the journal entry? Or if it is collected in allotment, what is the journal entry? If it is collected in first call, what is the journal entry? Or if it is collected in final call, what is the journal entry? We will have a small glance on that. Okay, then we will start a problem. Okay, now if it is premium amount is collected, okay, if premium, okay, securities premium, if it is collected in application money, okay. So second journal entry, what is the second journal entry? First journal entry for share application money received. share application money received. Journal entry, bank account debited to share application account, that is the first journal entry. Second journal entry, share application money should be transferred to share capital account. Correct? So second journal entry, share application account debit, share application account debit to share capital account. Share application account debited to share capital account. So this is the second journal entry when application money transferred to share capital. Okay. If premium amount is collected in application, added in the application money, so journal entry will go like this. Share application account debited to share capital account to securities premium account. As I already told you, premium collected should be credited to one account. That account is called securities premium account. Okay, so whatever premium amount is collected, it should be recorded like this to securities premium account. Okay, if securities share premium amount is collected in application, second, so this is the journal entry. Share application account debited to share capital account to securities premium account. Values, when I come to the problem, you are able to understand. Now I have not taken any example in the values. Okay. Suppose if premium amount is added in allotment money, collected in allotment money. Okay, if premium amount is collected with allotment money, what is the journal entry? Okay, so journal entry number 3, allotment money due. What is the journal entry number 3? Allotment money due. You know that share allotment account debit, share allotment account debit to share capital account. Share allotment account debited to share capital account. So this is the allotment money due, issue of shares at par. Okay. If share premium is included in the allotment money, so here we have to write to securities premium account. To securities premium account. So this is the journal entry if premium amount is included in allotment money. Okay. So share allotment account debit to share capital account to securities premium account. This is the journal entry if premium is collected in allotment. Suppose if premium is collected in call money, first call, final call. Okay. If premium is collected in call money, journal entry will go like that. Okay. For example, first call, let me take first call. Journal entry for first call money due, what you are going to write? Share first call account, correct? Share first call account debit to share capital account. Share first call account debited to share capital account. So this is the journal entry if first call money due. Okay. If premium amount is included in the first call money, of course, that you have to write that to securities premium account here. To securities premium account. So this is the journal entry if premium amount is collected in first call money. Okay, so share first call account debited to share capital account to securities premium account. Suppose if it is final call. Okay, premium amount is in final call means, so this is the journal entry. Share final call account debited to share capital account to securities premium account. Okay, so this is about the pro forma journal entry when premium amount is collected in application, when premium amount is collected in allotment, or when premium amount is collected in first call or final call. Okay, so let us will go for a problem number 1 on issue of shares at premium. Okay, let us solve one problem on issue of shares at premium. I have written a problem there on illustration. Wipro Company Limited issued 10,000 equity shares, okay, 10,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, face value 100 at a premium of rupees 10 per share. That means 100 rupee share is issued for 110. This is face value and this is called issue price. Okay. Equity shares of 100 each at a premium of 10 per share. 100 rupee share is giving for 110 rupee. Okay. So the amount payable 20 on application, 20 on application, 40 on allotment, that is including premium, including premium. So premium, how much is the premium? 10 rupees included here, 10 rupees included here, and rupees 50 on first and final call, 50 on first and final call. Total you will going to get 110, not 100, because issue price is 110. Okay, 20 plus 40, 60, 60 plus 50, 110. So this is the issue price. Okay, so payable 20 on application, 40 on allotment, premium 10 rupees included here, and final call, first and final call 50. All the shares were subscribed and money duly received except 200 shares, equity shares on allotment. So 200 shares allotment is not received, 500 shares first and final call is not received, calls in arrears, pass journal entry. Okay, now let us solve the answer for this problem. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to write journal entries in the books of the company name. So write it there in your notebook, journal entries in the books of, journal entries in the books of Wipro Company, Wipro Company Limited. Of course, first date, particulars, LF ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. Draw column for one page, draw column for one page. Okay, so date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees and credit rupees. Okay, yes, first we'll go for 110 rupees, right? Okay, number of equity shares issued 10,000, 10,000 equity shares, 10,000 equity shares, 100 rupee face value but issued for 110. Application, application rupees 20, allotment rupees 40, that is including premium, and first and final call rupees 50, so totally 110 is there. Okay, so journal entry number 1, journal entry number 1, application money received. Of course, to journal entry, application money received. So first journal entry, bank account debit, bank account debit to equity share application account, bank account debited to equity share application account. You have to write full there in your notebook, don't write like this. Okay, equity, okay, I don't have space, that's the reason I am writing E bar A. Okay, equity share application account, bank account debited to equity share application account. Okay, so 10,000 into 20, 2 lakh, 10,000 into 20, 2 lakh rupees debit, 2 lakh rupees credit, 2 lakh rupees debit and 2 lakh rupees credit. Of course, narration being share application money received on, share application money received on, share application money received on 20,000 equity share, 20,000 equity shares at rupees 20 each, at rupees 20 each. Close the particulars column. So this is about the first journal entry when application money received. Okay, you know that in the issue of shares at par, what is the first journal entry? Okay, second journal entry, this equity share application money should be transferred to equity share capital account. So second journal entry, equity share application account debit, equity share application account debit, equity share application account debit to equity share capital account, to equity share capital account. Equity share application account debited to equity share capital account. So this is the second journal entry when application money transferred to equity share capital account. Of course, 2 lakh rupees is transferred. 2 lakh rupees is transferred. So narration being share application money transferred to share application money transferred. I'm writing in the short form, you have to write full, okay? Money transferred to equity share capital account. Transferred to equity share capital account. So this is the journal entry number 2. Journal entry number 2. Okay. So this is first you know in the equity when the shares are issued at par, application money received, application money transferred to. This is the 2 journal entries. Okay. Now come to allotment. Allotment money due, received. Allotment money due, allotment money received. Okay. Now you should be careful. Why? Because this is including premium. So the 10 rupee premium is included in the allotment money. 10 rupee premium is included in the allotment money. Okay, what 10 rupee is there, that should be transferred to securities premium account. So when allotment money is due, securities premium account will come there. Okay, so journal entry number 3, equity share allotment account debit. Equity share allotment account debit. Equity share allotment account debit. 2. Equity share capital account. 2. Equity share capital account. And securities premium, of course, you have to write it here, 2 securities premium account. 2 securities premium account. Equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital account, 2 securities premium account. Okay. Okay. When allotment money is due, this is the journal entry, equity share allotment account debit, 2 equity share capital account and 2 securities premium account. Okay. Now be careful about the amount. 10,000 into 40. 10,000 into 40, that share allotment account debit 4 lakh. Share allotment account debit 10,000 into 40, 4 lakh rupees. Out of that 40 rupees, 10 rupees is premium, means 30 rupees will be transferred to share capital account. 30 rupees will be transferred to share capital account. Okay. So 10,000 into 30 rupees, share capital account 3 lakh. And premium amount is 10 rupee. 10,000 into 10, that comes to 1 lakh rupee. So debit must be equal to credit. Debit is 4 lakh, credit is 4 lakh. I repeat the journal entry. Allotment money due. When allotment money due is there, premium is there. So what you have to do, you have to adjust that securities premium here. Equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital account and 2 securities premium account. Okay. So why securities premium account should be credited? As I already told you, it is a capital profit. When profit income increase, that account should be credited. Okay. So while writing the values 10,000 into 40, that 4 lakh rupee will go to transfer or go to equity share allotment account. Out of that 40, 10 rupees is premium. So the remaining 30, 10,000 into 30, 3 lakh rupees share capital account, 10,000 into 10 rupee, 2 securities premium account, 1 lakh. Okay. So this is the journal entry number 3 when allotment money is due. Okay. So narration I'll going to write it here. Being share allotment money due on 10,000 equity shares, 10,000 equity shares at rupees at rupees 40 each, including rupees 10 premium, including rupees 10 premium. So this is a narration when premium you are writing. Okay. Being share allotment money due on 10,000 equity share at rupees 40 each, including rupees 10 premium. So this is journal entry number 3. Okay. We'll go to journal entry number 4, allotment money received. Of course, same journal entry, allotment money received, bank account debit, bank account debit, bank account debit to equity share allotment account, bank account debited to equity share allotment account, bank account debited to equity share allotment account. Be careful, 200 share, except 200 shares on allotment, except 200 shares on allotment. Out of 10,000, 200 shares is not received. That means 9,800. So narration being share allotment money received on, share allotment money received on, share allotment money received on 9,800 equity shares, 9,800 equity share. Out of 10,000, 200 shares not received. 10,000 minus 200, 9,800 equity share. So allotment money, how much is the allotment money? 40. So what you have to do? 9,800 into 40 rupees. So value is 3,92,000. 3,92,000 debit, 3,92,000 credit. 3,92,000 debit, 3,92,000 credit. That is the value. Not full 4 lakh is received, 3,92,000. So this is about when allotment money received. Okay. Of course, next journal entry number 5. So first and final call. First and final call 50 rupees. First due. Equity share. Equity share. First and final call account debit, equity share, first and final call account debited to equity share capital account. Equity share, first and final call account debited to equity share capital account. Okay. So 10,000 into 50, 10,000 into 50, 5 lakh. 10,000 into 50, 5 lakh rupees debit, 5 lakh rupees credit. Narration being share first and final call money due on 10,000 equity shares, 10,000 equity shares at rupees 50 each, at rupees 50 each. So this is a narration for journal entry number 5. Okay. Next, moving on to the next journal entry number 6. When allotment, first and final call money received. Okay. So journal entry, bank account debit to equity share first and final call account. Bank account debited to equity share first and final call account. Be careful here, except 500 shares on first and final call. Out of 10,000, 500 share not received means received is being share first and final call money received on 9,500 equity shares. 500 shares is not received means 9,500. Okay, 9,500 into 50. 9,500 into 50 rupees. It comes to 4,75,000. So value 4,75,000 debit, 4,75,000 credit. So this is the journal entry number 6. 3 installment, 6 journal entry. Okay, but be careful when securities premium is there. Okay, so this is the first problem on issue of shares at a premium. Okay. Okay, with this I will going to end up today's class. Okay, so in the next class I will solve few more problems on issue of shares at premium, because from the point of examination, issue of shares at premium is more important. Okay, so next class we will solve few more problem on issue of shares at premium. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.